How to delete resume in LinkedIn. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the LinkedIn application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. So simply you can see there are different options at the bottom of the screen, from home, network, post, notifications to jobs. Simply select on jobs. Here you can see the option of preferences at the top left corner, so select on preferences. Now, under preferences, you can see the option of my qualifications. Select on that. And under your qualifications, you'll be able to see different options. So you just have to make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. And here you can see the resume under share resume data with hirers. So you have your resume, and beside your resume, you have three dotted lines. Simply tap on it, tap on delete, and there you go. You have removed and deleted resume in LinkedIn. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.